Uh, Text is a string data type. So any text is a string data type. Now there is a condition. Any data type written as text is a string, and any data that is written under a single quote or double quote or triple quote. So any text written under these single quote, double quote, and triple quote, these are all strings. Right? So these are all called string data type. Right? So there are different string methods and built-in functions to deal with the string data types. So one of the such methods is the length method. Right? We have length method in Python. Right? What it does is it returns the length of the string. For example, hello. We will see a few examples here. Uh, so let us see an example. We have a variable called letter in which we are storing a string called t. Right now, when I print the letter, when I run this, as you can see, so there is it has printed the letter t. Now, similarly, if I want to get the length of that string. So what I'm gonna do is I will be using that length method, right? I will be using length method and I'll be, passing that letter a string. Now when I run this, it will show 1 because the length of the string B is 1, right? Obviously. Now we will take one more example here, that is greeting, right? So we'll take a variable called greeting in which we will write a string called hello world. Now I will be printing this greeting and also I will be printing the length of that greeting. Now when I run this, as you can see, it has printed the string called hello world, and now the length of that string is 12. Now the interesting part here is in Python, the length, it also counts this empty space, right? Space between hello and world. It also count this and also count this exclamatory mark here, right? So by counting all this, it returns it returns the length that is 12, right? Now, coming to the next here, we also have sentences, right? So I will be creating a variable called sentence. In the double quote, I will write, I hope you are enjoying this video. Right now, I'll be printing this sentence. Right now, when I run this, obviously it will print that sentence. Right now, multi-line string. We also have a multi-line string that is created by using triple signal. Right, by using the triple signal or a triple double quotes. So let us see an example. For example, if we have multiple line string. So how to do that? So to do that, what we'll be doing is we'll be creating a multi-line string variable, and you will be using this triple quotes. As you can see, I have used triple quotes, right? Okay. So now inside that, I will be pasting a multi-line string, right? Just a second. So this is a multi-line string, right? Now I will be printing that multi-line string, and now when I run this, as you can see, it has printed the multi-line string. So just remember, if you have a string that has multiple lines, then you must use triple quotes. It can be, right, as you can see, triple quotes, right? To use the multi-line string. Now, uh, there is another way as well. Like you can also use the same thing with triple double quotes, right? Uh, Such as just change this to triple double quotes. Okay, just a second. See, triple double quotes. It will also be the same thing. We can use either a single line, triple singles, or triple double quotes. Right now, we have one more concept in with respect to string that is very interesting. That is string concatenation. Right? We call that as string concatenation. So what we do here is we can connect strings. Remember, we can connect strings together. Right? Now merging or connecting string is called concatenation. We can say merging. Right? We'll be merging two strings together. For example, if there is a first name, right? First name, right? Virat, and the last name as Kohli, then we'll be merging this both this name, right? So that is where in between that I also be giving the space, right? Now I'll be printing. Okay, so I will take the full name, one more variable full name, and I will add all those by using concatenation. So to use concatenation, we'll be using the plus operator. Right, remember plus operator to merge the strings to concatenate. So first name space and name plus and then last name. And now I will be printing full name. Now when I run this, as you can see, it has printed the full name Virat Kohli. Right? Now we can also get the length, right? If you want to check the length of a string, we can use the built-in function length, that is print length of that first name, print length of the last name, and also print length of the full name, right? Now when I run this, as you can see, uh, first name is 5, second name is 5, full name is 11, right? Now we also have escape sequences in strings that we'll be seeing in the next video. For this video, you have seen what is string. You have also seen the what is the built-in function length, how we can use that length method to find the length of the string. You have also seen how to uh, print the multi-line string. For example, if you have a string that has multiple lines, how you can print? You can either use the triple quotes, right, or single line triple quotes, right? And then you have also seen the string concatenation, which is very important topic where you will be joining or you will be merging two strings by using the plus operator. As you can see, as we have in mathematics, we have studied how to add two numbers, we'll be using plus operator. Similarly, in Python, to merge two strings, we'll be using the plus operator. So the next topic, the escape sequences in string, we'll be seeing in the next video. Till then, goodbye.